Welcome back. Let's jump right in and fix this PS1's open button that's annoyingly sticking. First off, flip over the console and remove the 6 Phillips screws that are on the back. One of them is hidden underneath the warranty sticker, but that's really not a problem. Put a little pressure on the middle of it to form an indentation and cut the center away with a hobby knife. You could just remove these stickers altogether, but it leaves a lot of residue to clean up, so cutting it is a bit cleaner. I had to open this unit up because the lid spring popped out of place, but I noticed that the open button was also sticking in the process, and that is just really annoying on these units. So let me pop that in really quick and then I'll show you the open button. There we go, much better. Now obviously it should be closing, but it's not. On the original PS1 models, you can pop this button out, and because it has a large stud in the center of it, it can sometimes stick and needs to be adjusted. If you'd like to see how to fix that version, check out this video right here. But these slim console buttons are a little bit different. First, flip over the top housing and either with your fingers or a small tool, pinch the 2 clip ends on either side of the button to get it loose from the housing. There's some metal shielding in the way of one of the clips, so be careful not to cut yourself. But once the clips are loose, you should be able to push it out from the middle on the bottom with a small tool or a pen cap. Now before doing anything else, clean the button itself and where it seats into the housing as well. Sometimes this will fix the issues you're having right away, especially if there was debris stuck inside or something had spilled on it. I'm using some IPA and a Q-tip for this. But if it's still a little hesitant and doesn't open consistently when pressed, grab a little grease to add to the center. I'm using some that I picked up online, but you can use any kind that won't degrade plastics and is a little bit thicker so it stays where it's applied to. Put a little on the end of a cotton swab and spread it over the sides of the pin mechanism. I took out the center pin to make sure the grease went underneath, but if you only spread it on the top, make sure that you move the pin back and forth to work the grease in as best as possible. Then pop the button back in place and test it out. It should be working way better now and is a lot less frustrating to use. Hopefully this helped to fix one of your consoles, and if you're looking for more tips and tricks on fixing more, be sure to check out my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next fix.